Hello, my name is Carolina Rosadas. I am a research fellow at Imperial College London and a co-founder of HTLV Channel. HTLV Channel is a platform in social media created with the aim to increase awareness about HTLV infection, mainly in Brazil and Latin America. So today I will talk about the activities to celebrate World HTLV Day. In Brazil, these activities can happen locally or at national level. It can be organized by researchers, by the government, and also by people living with HTLV. These will include educational activities for students, healthcare professionals, or even scientific meetings. It can be activities to increase awareness to general public. Some people will take this opportunity to engage with people living with HTLV. And we will also discuss priorities and strategies to advance the response to HTLV. There will be a lot of information being shared at social media platforms and also in conventional media, such as radio, TV, and journals. Some examples of local initiatives will be meetings where there will be engagement between local governments, people living with HTLV, and researchers. So here is an example that happened in Bahia, and this is an example of Rio de Janeiro state. Some institutions will light up monuments to celebrate World HTLV Day. There will be awareness campaign in public spaces such as beaches. Some researchers will record videos with information about HTLV, and these will be shared by their institutions, but also in social media and normal media such as TV, for example. There will be a lot of press release from different institutions, universities, research groups, and governments, both federal and local level. A lot of different groups will be doing educational activities. This is, for example, in Belém do Pará. This is in Mato Grosso do Sul, and this is in Alagoas State. Educational activities may also happen in hospitals, universities, so in different places. Some groups will engage with people living with HTLV. This is an example of a workshop that happens in Minas Gerais state, where people living with HTLV could share how they were feeling, the impact of HTLV in their lives. So this was a quite interesting initiative as well. This is from Recife, where they develop a character that is representing HTLV, and this is going to different events. They also have a booklet explaining about HTLV, and this is a board game for children to educate children about HTLV infection. So also a great initiative. Some groups will take the opportunity of World HTLV Day to launch booklets with information about HTLV, and we have examples in pregnant women, for example. And this is a booklet about HTLV developed by the group that is in the Mato Grosso do Sul state, and they translated it to English and Japanese, as they do a lot of research with communities that are originating from Japan. So this is the QR codes for you to access it. As I said, they will use a lot of social media, so a lot of people will share information about HTLV in the social media, but also we will take opportunities to increase awareness using journals and this is a radio interview by Márcia and Adriane Oliveira, two representatives of people living with HIV from Brazil. So also a lot of initiatives are organized by people living with HIV. So this is one example where they had the t-shirts celebrating the World HIV Day, and they did a post showing that they are supporting this day and they want to increase awareness and the importance of increasing awareness. This is another opportunity where we had a scientific meeting during World HIV Day, and then people living with the virus were sharing their experience and discussing the priorities to advance the response in the country. This is another type of activity. So this is a booklet sharing the stories of these women living with HIV that are also leaders in the response to HIV. So they're engaging with policymakers, they are increasing awareness in social media, so they are doing different activities to help advancing the response to HIV. And this is a video recorded by some patient living with HIV to share also their experience. So sharing lived experience is very important to increase awareness and also to fight stigma that may be associated with HIV infection. As a national initiative, the Brazilian Ministry of Health started celebrating World HIV Day in 2020 with a webinar organized in collaboration with the social media platform HIV Channel and the Brazilian Ministry of Health. And this webinar was important because we were presenting the clinical guideline for HIV infection that was developed by the Brazilian Ministry of Health in collaboration with civil and scientific society. So we had 16 speakers, including people living with HIV, and about 2,500 participants, mainly healthcare professionals. The following year, we organized a webinar and we included as partners Htlv, which is the Patients Association in Brazil, and also the Pan American Health Organization. So at this opportunity, we did a webinar to discuss public policies to HIV globally, and we had 20 speakers from 8 countries and 357 participants from 43 countries. And the Pan American Health Organization decided to publish a meeting report that is now available in Portuguese, English, and Spanish. And we also published a paper about this workshop. The following years, we repeated this partnership and we organized other meetings. So in the region of Americas, we identified that the priority would be implementing a program to prevent mother-to-child transmission. So we organized 2 additional workshops with these partners to discuss how we could move forward with this policy in the region, and also a workshop in collaboration with the Brazilian Ministry of Health and Htlv, the same partners again. The Brazilian Ministry of Health will also use the social media platform and the website to share information about HIV during World HIV Day, and this is quite important. But we also have in Brazil a National Awareness Day that happens in March. So we have 2 opportunities to increase awareness. It's the National Day and the International Day. But these initiatives are also happening across the globe. So in the UK, for example, we had a bake sale already to raise funds for the charity that supports people living with HIV. And we also took this opportunity to engage with the community in the hospital to share information about HIV. We also had another event where we were increasing awareness about HIV to general public, so researchers they went together to discuss about HIV. There is also sharing information in the National Health System in the UK. And this is the group from the US, also celebrating the World HIV Day. Here they using the t-shirt to increase awareness. This is Professor Mirna Biglioni in Argentina, also increasing awareness about HIV. Professor Eduardo Gottuso also organizes events to celebrate World HIV Day with talks. And this is in Belgium, the group together to celebrate the day with t-shirts and also lighting up buildings with information about HIV. So as we can see, there are many different initiatives to celebrate World HIV Day, and I'm sure that you also have a lot of different opportunities in Japan, and we are also looking forward to see your initiatives that are happening in Japan. And I wish you all a great World HIV Day. Thank you for the invitation. It's a pleasure to be sharing this with you. Enjoy your day.